What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh the PEZ guy here on location on the PEZ Book channel. Do me a favor, leave me your questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Now then. Alright, The Simpsons. This is what I want to show you. So, on Bart, if I turn him around and we look at the back of his head, see how at the top of his head on his hair it's blank? And then you're going to have the fox pattern right there above the candy pusher. Well, when I put this one back, and then also if you look right there where the eyes meet the face, you can see where the paint is, and the eyes are obviously part of the actual head. Now this next one, this Bart Simpson here, has eye inserts. So those white pieces are actually removable. One way to tell this is if you look at the back of the head, really hard to see, but Matt Groening's name is on there. He's the creator of The Simpsons. And this stem here, it's actually on a 5.9 no country. So this is a European release where you can find the removable eyepieces. And Matt Groening's signature on the back. Now with Homer, you can see the differences in the hairs. You're also going to see a Matt Groening variation on them as well. You're also going to see some painted eyes versus insert eyes as well. Very cool, and I just learned this. I love checking out new PEZ collections because I get to learn cool things like this. So until next time.